What's up, guys? Well, we're back at it again. This time we're jumping the birds out a mile. They've been tossed from the half-mile spot. Most of them 3 times. 4 of them they only got tossed twice, but they're doing good. So we jumped them out. Got this open field. They got some wires on the side. A little overcast, a little drizzly, but they're doing all right. Home is directly in that direction, that way right there. So the birds have calmed down. They've been sitting here for a minute, so let's let them go. Straight towards the wires. They dodged them. Not the most ideal spot, but they gotta learn. Home's that way, but they're circling again. They got it. All right, buddy, get back in the car so we can go. Buddy, you see him over there?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? Chat, get in the car. Alright, well, let's go see if they make it home. Well, their first 1 mile toss, they beat me home. They're already on the roof. That's cool. The rest of them are up here. Good job, guys. Good job. Let me call them in.